When Dr. Lam comes to my hometown, I need to be there.
It is worth every penny, every minute.
It's amazing that this is just my second week long, but it's like exponential how much more I've gained. It's not so much the workshop, it's me and what I'm able to take away from it.
My favorite thing is to see the healing effects that it takes on all individuals who participate.
I like the sense of community. I like the opportunity to work with a lot of different master trainers.
What I like about this workshop is the master trainers that work with him, they provide additional in-depth experience and ways of explaining the techniques in a way that you can't get any other way but if you're not here.
Harmony of everyone. I mean, I was really blown away of people just coming up and just being themselves. You know, you could feel the love, you could feel the energy, the chi, you could feel all this. And that's what I like about it.
Next year, it's going to be here in this same location. It is an absolutely stunningly gorgeous location. It's a beautiful, peaceful place. You'll be surrounded by knowledgeable people who love Tai Chi.
If you have an opportunity, grab it, go for it, live life, and come.
Come. Don't even think about it twice. Come.
I would say sign up right now for next year because it's definitely going to be a ball.